Familiarize yourself with the 2022 Ford F-150. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.